On top inside Edo today, Edo Modular Refinery go soon start operation and DPR go inspect 6,000 barrel per day facility. Edo Refinery and Petrochemicals Limited na project wey Governor Godwin Obaseki administration join body put, and na project wey be say AIPCC Energy Limited wey dey Ologbo for Ipuba, Oka local government area na im dey develop am, and dem go begin operation for there before the end of this year. Dem don complete the fabrication of 6,000 barrels per day modular refinery, and officials of DPRO wey be Department of Petroleum Resources go soon come inspect am before dem go ship am come Nigeria. For statement, Special Adviser to Governor Godwin Obaseki on top media and communication strategy, Crusoe Osage, he come talk say the project na part of state government plan to transform Edo State from civil service state to investment and industrial state, and say the refinery project join for the list of projects wey Edo State government still dey do, like CCETC Osiomo Power Plant, Benin Enterprise and Industrial Park, and Benin River Port. Technical Director for Modular Refinery Project, Tim Tian, him talk say refinery go get crude from Nigerian Petroleum Development Company wey be NPDC, Facility Oil Mining Lease OML 111 wey dey near Benin City. Tian talk say by the time the refinery begin dey work, e go dey produce 50% of diesel wey be 500,000 litres, 25% of naphtha wey be 300,000 litres, and 20% of fuel wey go be 200,000 litres. We go remember say Edo State ESCO don approve the release of 700 million naira to take work for Edo Refinery and Petrochemical Company Limited, and the takeoff of Edo Refinery and Petrochemicals Company follow some many groundwork wey Obaseki administration do to take set up Edo Investment Scheme Limited with special purpose vehicles wey be SPV, make e hold 2 billion naira investment funds, and Ministry of Finance Incorporation MOFI and Edo State Oil and Gas Producing Areas Development Commission EXOPADEC go hold 20% and 80% of the shares, as this one go facilitate Edo State investment for plenty initiatives wey dey on top oil and gas, drilling and filling stations, sales and supply of gas, agro-allied products, petroleum and petrochemical products, and other related businesses dem. Now here we see the ogbonge updates reach on top wetin shele for inside Edo today. On top say Edo Modular Refinery go soon begin operation, and DPRO go soon waka come inspect the facility wey go produce 6,000 barrels per day. Make una no forget say this ogbonge updates wey dey reach una so na T Live Media na im dey carry am dey come give una. And to dey get more of this ogbonge tori, make una subscribe to our YouTube channel on top T Live Media TV. Make una comment and like all our videos. Make una still follow us for Facebook on top T Live Media. And una fit still log on to www.tlivemedia.com to dey get more ogbonge tori.